We're here in Essex and we've got a very special client to share with you today. On the show, The Only Way is Essex. It's Jessica Wright herself. All right, we're gonna install a lovely fireplace. Let's show you what it's all about. Hi
Hello.
Jess, how you doing?
Good,
you all right?
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you very
in.
much. Appreciate it.
Here we are.
Okay, so I see you want to get a fireplace done. What exactly, if you want to walk me through how you want it built, how you want it designed, do you have some photos maybe?
Yeah, I'm thinking like I've got the fire and I want it to just look really cozy and lovely, and I've got some pictures, so I'll just show you them.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay, so I've got some pictures to show you.
Okay.
This is one of them. So
Nice.
that kind of like the fireplace in the middle and then like the wood or whatever it would be above or below.
Do you want some spotlights and some LED lights underneath as well?
Oh yeah, that'd be amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'd love a bit of lighting, so yeah, that'd be perfect.
Fine, okay, we can make that work. That's absolutely fine.
Okay, thank you. I've just had my fireplace fitted in my living room by Luxe Refurbs and I am so over the moon with how they've done it. The finished product looks beautiful and I'm overwhelmed. It just looks even better than I expected. And I just want to say that Luxe Refurbs are an amazing experience, very, very good customer service, and they've produced exactly what I wanted. So I'm very, very pleased.